Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to Clever, get to your science textbook, and everything that you need for the year. So you're going to go to buffaloschools.org, close that window, go to Students, close that window, click on Clever. Okay, you're going to log in with Active Directory. Okay, you're going to put your 900 number. You are not putting what I write here. You're putting your own 900 number. You are putting your own password, okay, and click sign in. Okay, now I am going to see the login page for Clever. What I want is this Pearson Easy Bridge. I'm going to click the heart right here to favorite it. So now it's up at the top of my page. I'm going to click on Pearson Easy Bridge. It's going to take me here. I'm going to click on this Realize right here. Okay, it's going to pull me up to two classes. Okay, here is your science class. If I click on classes, it'll pull both up. I can click on science. It'll show me the e-text. The e-text you want to look at should say New York, NY here.